How to see who shared your Instagram reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video we'll check if it's possible to see who has shared your Instagram reels. So let us begin. First, open up your Instagram. After you do so, go to your profile section. Now here, first thing you'll need to make sure is that you're on professional mode. Now to do that, tap on the three lines on the top right and scroll down. Now here you will see for professionals board if you're on professional mode. So make sure that you're on professional mode before you do this. Now after you've done that, just open up a reel. After you do that, you will see view insights on the bottom right. If you don't find that, tap on the three lines on the top right, and there you will see the insights section. Tap on insights. Now under here, you will be able to see all of the interactions that you get on your post. Now, as you can see, this is the Reels Insights. Now, if you scroll down for a bit, you will see the interaction section. Now, there you will see the number of shares. Now, if you tap on number of shares, nothing will happen because there is no feature that allows you to see who has shared your Instagram Reels. So there is no such option that can show you who has shared your Reels, but you can see the number of times your Reels has been shared. And that is basically it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.